Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss or learn about class 11 geography, book 2, and the name of the second book is called India Physical Environment, chapter number 2, and the name of the second chapter is called India Structure and Physiography, part 2. So the second physical feature of India that we are going to learn in this class is the northern plains. The northern plains has been formed by the three major river systems or the Himalayan river systems of India. So here we need to know the river system. River system means a particular big river and its tributaries are called or collectively known as river system. So if we talk about the Himalayan river systems of India, we have three main river systems. They are the Indus river system, the Ganga river system, and the Brahmaputra river system. So if we talk about the formation of northern plains, it has been formed or made by three major river systems of India. So in order to understand or explain the formation of northern plain in a better way, we need to go back 20 million years ago. So after the disintegration of the supercontinent, or another name of the supercontinent is called Pangaea, into two big land masses. So the supercontinent or the Pangaea was disintegrated, or we can say detached into two big land masses. They are the Laurasia, or we can say Angara land, and the Gondwana land. So in between these two big land masses, we have a narrow sea. So name of this particular sea is called Tethys Sea. So this particular sea was filled up with sediments, huge sediments. After that, the Indian plate moved further northwards towards the Eurasian plate. After that, the Eurasian plate and the Indian plate collide one another. After the collision between these two plates, the fault Himalayan mountains were formed. After the formation of the Himalayan mountains, at the south of the Himalayan mountains, we have a geosyncline depression or a big huge basin or a geosyncline depression. So this particular geosyncline depression or a huge basin was filled up with sediments. So these sediments are brought by three major river systems of Himalayan river systems. So these three river systems are called Indus river system, Ganga river system, and the Brahmaputra river system. So that means the northern plain of India was made by the three major river systems of India. River systems, or we can say Himalayan river systems, the Indus river system, the Ganga river system, and the Brahmaputra river system. So the formation of northern plain of India is mainly because of the three agents or three river systems of northern Himalayan river systems. So it separates over an area of 7 lakh square kilometers. So this is 1 square kilometer. So each side we have 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 square kilometer, 1 kilometer. So this is 1 square kilometer. So if we talk about the total area of the northern plain, we have 7 lakh square kilometers. So this type of square kilometer total here to here we have 7 lakh square kilometer. And if we talk about the length of northern plain from here to here is 2500 kilometer, and average width of the Himalayan, the northern plain is between 240 to 320 kilometer. So the average width of this northern plain of India is between 240 to 320 kilometer. So this particular uh, northern plain is located with this particular northern plain we have, it is covered with highly densely populated regions of India. So that means it is a densely populated physiographic division of India. So if we talk about the states such as Haryana, um, Delhi, UP, Bihar, West Bengal. So most of these states are highly densely populated regions of India, states of India. So because of since this one Great Northern Plain, we have fertile alluvial soils, alluvial type of soil. So since this type of alluvial plain alluvial type of soil supports agriculture system, because of that, this region, this physiographic division is consist or occupied with densely populated, highly densely populated regions of India. The northern plain is broadly divided into three sections, three parts. So this division is made based on rivers. So the first plain, northern plain, is division is made based on river system. There, that is the first name is called the Punjab plain. So the western part of northern plain, this is the western part of northern plain, is known as or referred to as a Punjab plain. This plain was formed by river Indus and its tributaries. The Indus and its tributaries, some of the river Indus and its tributaries such as Chelem, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, and Satluj. So these all rivers are basically originated from the Himalayan mountains. Next one is the Ganga plain. It extends between river Khakar. So here we have river Khakar to river Tista river. It is separated over the states of northern India such as Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, part of Jharkhand, and this one West Bengal. The third uh, division of northern plain based on river valley is called Brahmaputra plain to the east of Ganga plain. So this is Ganga plain. To the east of Ganga plain we have uh, particularly in Assam, it lies in Assam, it is called Brahmaputra plain. The third physical feature or physiographic division that we are going to learn in this class is the Great Indian Desert, the Thar Desert. So these are the, or we can say the Rajasthan Desert. So these are the different names for the Great Indian Desert and the Indian Desert. If we talk about the location of Indian Desert, it lies towards the west of Aravalli Range hills. So this is Aravalli Hills or Aravalli Hill Range, Aravalli Range, mountain range. So if we talk about the location of the Great Indian Desert, it is located west of Aravalli Range. This mountain range is one of the oldest mountain range in the world. So if we talk about the location of Indian Desert, it is located west of Aravalli Range. It is an undulating sandy plains covered with sand dunes. So these are the different types of sand dunes, such as blowout sand dunes, Barchin sand dunes, parabolic sand dunes, Barchinoid ridges, dome dunes, transverse dunes. So if you talk about the general physical feature of the Indian desert, it is covered with mostly with Barchin type of sand dunes. So this particular, the Indian desert receives a very low rainfall, annual rainfall, 150 millimeter. If we convert into centimeter, 15 centimeter. So this is a rain gauge. So if we place this particular rain gauge on an open space during rainfall, rainy season, some part of rain will enter into the rain gauges. So based on the amount of rain entered into in this rain gauge, we will calculate daily, based on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. Based on these calculation, we can find the rainfall of a particular region. Since this particular region, the Great Indian Desert, receives a very low amount of rainfall, so it experiences a arid type of climate. That means low rainfall region. Because of that, we have a low vegetation. Because of low vegetation, so this, because of rainfall, this, the Great Indian Desert, we have a low vegetation. Because the main reason is because of what, this one, low rainfall these regions. So mostly the thorny bushes are, we can find thorny bushes type of vegetations in the Great Indian Desert. So in the Great Indian Desert, we have many rivers. So among the rivers, Luni is the one of the most important river in this region. So if you talk about the Luni, is one of the biggest river in Rajasthan. So this is the Luni river in Rajasthan. Thank you.